What's up, guys? Welcome back to Back Road Driver.
We're the Mizer Brothers.
I'm Brad.
And I'm Sam.
Today we're at Epic Designs, where we got both of our Mustangs wrapped. Zilla, the GT500, and Kong, the GT350 that's no longer with us. But we've got Sam's truck in here, and we're getting something really awesome done to that. If you've watched the last couple of videos, you probably know where we're going with that. But we're gonna give you a little mid-wrap update and show you the progress on that. And then next video after this, for his truck, you're gonna get to see the full reveal with everything slicked up, looking good. So let's go inside, check this out. It's raw, there's stuff pulled apart. So we're in process.
So we've got this side pretty much completed right now. You can see the body line we're gonna pull off right here. This kind of stays straight across.
Got stuff taken apart up here. Got his light, it's out right now.
About ready to wrap the roof.
Got the A-pillar partial. I mean, this part's done on the A-pillar. This door is done, but
this is a little different than you've seen done before. We're not coming on down here or even down here. We're going to run this line straight across and go right into the hood and make this all one big unit. So they're about to stick to this.
Let's show them the line real quick. Sorry, guys. You can see where this tape's at, and once they get this laid down flat, they'll pull that razor tape out, and it will actually make that shape. I'm gonna go
where you want.
Open the door. Done. That was easy. This is Travis and Tyler doing an awesome job. Seth's in there in the AC right now. He's probably doing something on the computer, but he is in the AC. So you can already see where that tape, I don't know, maybe that's the seam. I don't know if you can see the tape yet.
I've got a little surprise for you guys on the emblems. We're gonna wrap those as well. We'll just have to let you see that when it's done.
You'll notice he's got a felt tip squidgy there. They're just getting the middle part to lay down just a little bit. So I'm gonna climb up in here. Oh, just they're working. I'll show you the top. So they got this brake light out. You gotta go around these, obviously. It's a gigantic piece up here. So this will tuck down in behind the trim, and then the other piece will go in behind that same trim, and you'll get the color up here. Hey guys, make sure you subscribe if you want to see all the things we're doing to Sam's truck. I mean, we've done a lot of stuff so far, but we're turning up the noise right now. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below, turn on the bell, and give this video a thumbs up and help us out with YouTube.
We went with a Avery color. This is satin dark basalt, and as you can tell, it's pretty close to the anthracite type trim that's on your Lariat Sports.
Also matches his wheels. They're anthracite as well. I think they're called carbon graphite or anthracite, something like that. It's a bunch of different names, but the mirror, are we gonna do anything different right here on the mirror than that? Or are they just gonna leave that?
No, we're getting these wrapped. We're gonna wrap them the same color because all this is so heavy and dark. I was debating on whether to leave them. It was gonna look like ears, so we're gonna go ahead and wrap these as well because this is such a heavy piece now that everything's so dark. All right, guys, help a brother out. Give me all your suggestions on names for my truck. You know it's gonna end up getting supercharged. You're starting to see it come together with the wrap. We've got about a week before we name this thing. I want you guys to give me your best suggestions for a name for this bad boy. We are putting an applique on the tailgate as well. I've already showed you guys in the 7,500 mile update, but if you missed that, we're gonna come in here.
Natural lines.
Here. Natural lines on the tailgate. Actually, you know what? I didn't mention that to you guys in the 7,500 mile update. I teased you. Now you know what we're gonna do back here. We're going to stop here, we're going to stop here, and we are going to wrap the emblems as well, and I'll just let you guys see that with the finished product. guys think. Throw me a name down in the comments, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.
Peace out.
Peace.